Hey guys, Batsonic Abby here with another vlog. I'm out watching the weather. We just had some storm sirens go off. It's likely just this morning, but it's out here and sirens are going off. I should probably go in and see what the weather is saying because my phone doesn't notify me about the warning until the storm is over. It's probably just a severe thunderstorm. Hopefully there's not a tornado. It's okay, children. Ignore the animals. They bark at everything. This is fun. It's probably just a severe thunderstorm because severe thunderstorm warning. Because if it was a tornado warning, they would be going on the TV. Hey. Yep. Nice. Nice. Severe thunderstorm warning, y'all. Why do I flash on? I don't know. But yeah, likely for the storm that just came through, so. It's okay, kids. But it was like 80 degrees. And then the storm came through and now it's like, I don't know, probably 70, early 70s. Look at that beautiful storm. She's a beauty. Very few things in life are as beautiful as a springtime thunderstorm. Oh, hummingbird. Right before I started vlogging, I had a hummingbird fly up to me. Like, it was a foot away from me, because, like, I've got some red on my shirt, so it was likely seeing the red. I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. We've got a bird right there. We've got a little tree right by our front door, and there's a mama bird building a nest in it, so. It's very pretty out here. Very fantastic storm clouds. I'm telling you, those of you who ever want to get cool video, just carry your phone with a camera on it. And hey, whenever something happens, just pull out your phone and start shooting. Like, that's legit what happened here. I just heard the storm sirens going off and I just started recording. Started shooting video. And then got more clouds out that way because there's another portion of a storm in McCracken County, so. Oh, there's the two hummingbirds. Look at that beautiful red throat. Maybe if I stand still and if it sees the red, it might come up to me. Chilling on a tree branch. They're so cute and tiny. See if I can zoom in enough. Oh, it's gone. Aw, darn it. Car probably scared it. Anyway, I'm probably going to end it here. Just a quick little tiny thunderstorm vlog. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.